How to make the keyboard bigger in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open Notes app, and here you can see the arrow icon. Now click on it and your letter will be bigger. After that, go back and open settings and scroll down and click on accessibility. After clicking on accessibility, then scroll down in last, and here you can see the option keyboards and typing. Now here you can turn off your show lowercase keys. After turning it off, then go back and open your keyboard. All the letters are keyboard bigger. So the another way to make your keyboard bigger, then go back and open settings and click on display and brightness, and then click on bold text, and then click on text size. Now here you can increase the keyboard size and it can be bold. So this is the way to make the keyboard bigger in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.